Girl, she said what? Let me find out. Look, when you see Kiki, tell her I'm coming for her. Because when I see her, I'm going to beat her down. Yeah. And you know what? Tell her straight green light, boo. She got boo-boo that. Yeah. And look, I got one thing for you. You touch this right here. You touch this right here again. Girl, I'm going to give you the business. Because I'm all about that life. You ain't all about that life like I am, Cook. This ain't what you want. Is it? Is you, girls, you swinging at me right now? No, you didn't, girl. I got this. Yeah. Yeah. Just like that. Because I'm a boss. Yeah. What else you got to say? Anything else you need to say? You might as well. Did you just slap me, girl? In front of her friends? Did you just do that? No. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No.